Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and in today's video I shall be sharing with you all my bare minimum makeup look which I love doing whenever I'm heading out. So starting off with my skincare, I started by using a niacinamide serum on my skin. This is from The Ordinary and I applied it all over my face and gently massaged the serum in, as well as used it on my neck. Then for my under eyes I used the caffeine solution and just a tiny dot of it and massaged it very gently underneath my eyes. So I just use this around my eye contour area to help reduce the puffiness and the pigmentation. Then for my lips I'm using the vegan lip balm from Plum and the Bioderma Etoderm moisturizer for my skin to moisturize my extremely dry skin. And I love this one so much. It just instantly adds a nice flush, like as if I've drank liters of water all together. It just makes my skin look so plump. And then do not forget on your sunscreen, I'm using this medicated sunscreen from Bello. I absolutely love this one. And yeah, once I'm done with my skincare, that's how gorgeous the skin looks. Then for the makeup part, I started off by using a strobe cream. Here I'm using the Swiss Beauty Real makeup base and just applied a pea-size amount on the tops of my face, like the tops of the cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, the cupid's bow and the chin. And here you can see I'm blending it out with the help of my fingers. It just makes my skin look so radiant and fresh. Then for the primer part, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy primer and I applied again a small amount of it and gently massaged it all over my face, focusing on the T-zone of my face. I'm pressing the primer in there so that if there are any pores, it just helps to blur them out. Then for the foundation, today I'm using my absolute fave from Kiro. It's their Daily Dewy Serum Foundation. This foundation is just bomb, you guys. I'm using the shade Almond Beige 03, which has a beautiful warm yellow undertone, and this foundation has a blend of 3 serums, that's hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and niacinamide. This has a very beautiful ultra lightweight consistency with a low to medium coverage. You can see I've just applied small dots on my face and with the help of my fingers I'm blending this out. It's extremely easy to blend out this foundation. Even with the help of my fingers, you can see over here I'm doing it in real time. It just blends out in a jiff. I love the formula of this foundation from them. It's like a perfect match for my skin tone. You can see the beautiful before and after, and I still had so much left from a single pump. So basically what I like to do for this kind of makeup looks is that use the least possible, like just start with less and just build on wherever you desire. Don't apply way too much just at the start itself. You can build it up if required. So yes, I'm just blending this out with the help of my fingers. The finish is extremely natural, like second skin, with the breathable lightweight dewy formula. It's perfect for everyday wear. I loved this. Kiro is a vegan skincare infused brand which is 100% cruelty free. I loved it. Next up, for my concealer, I'm using the Bear With Me serum concealer again from NYX, and again I love this one so much. This is in the shade Tan, which is very close to my skin tone, and again I applied it right underneath my eyes. You saw I just took the smallest pump possible because I just don't want to overload and cake up my face. So I just take a little amount of each product and make sure that it's all blended in. Like I take my own sweet time to blend the products because you know unblended products do not look that flattering, while if you blend out products really well, even less would look so flattering on your skin tone. Like, take it from me today. So yes, that was the base. Then moving on to the blush, I prefer going for cream blushes and I have been loving these from the brand Love Earth. These are extremely affordable. and this shade specifically, Kiss and Tell, is my absolute go-to. It's like my ride and die. I just take a small amount of it and rub it on the side of my palm underneath my thumb. I don't know what's that part called, but just stamp it on the tops of my cheek just like that. I saw it in a reel that day and I feel this hack really works, and it just blends the product so seamlessly on the skin as well. So you see, I just applied the blush all over my cheeks and took it to the temples along with the bridge of my nose, and with like whatever like is left on my finger. Like I don't even think there's something left, but I just stamped it over my eyelids to just add a slightest bit of color. And then for my eyebrows, I do not really like to do much for them because I already have like Shinchan brows. So all I like to do is just brush them up, and for that I'm using this Thick It Slick It from NYX. I love it, and just combed my eyebrows up. That's all I do. And then for my face, I'm like a dry skin type person, so I do not like to set my face a lot, but just so as to not make me look like a glazed donut, I like with the slightest amount of powder and just one dip, I applied the Huda Beauty loose powder all over my face with the lightest pressure, and that's it. Like if you're having an oily skin type, you can definitely set your face. For my eyelashes, this time I have been just going back and forth with the Essence Lash Princess mascara. This is like the best non-waterproof mascara I own. I love this. Extremely affordable and just does the work of like an high-end mascara, honestly. And when I'm done with applying the coat of mascara to my lashes, I also like to separate them out with the help of a spoolie. In this way my lashes look even more natural and doesn't seem like I'm wearing something on my eyes. Basically that's the aim of this bare minimum makeup look. And for my lips, all I love is a juicy pouty lip, and for that I'm using this stunning lip gloss from Tint Cosmetics. I freaking love this. Just look at how glass like juicy my lips look. I love this one so much. It's like non-sticky and stays on for a long time as well. So I'm just applying this all over my lips and I'm done. For my lips, just look at how gorgeous. I love how my lips look. And lastly, just as to set my face and you know, not make me look extremely oily throughout the day, I use the Mars setting spray. And yes, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. You can find all of the product links mentioned in the description box, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.